Hello and welcome to this session, Module 2, Perspectives on CSR. In this session, we will explore a key question. Is corporate social responsibility, CSR, simply a moral obligation, or can it serve as a strategic tool for businesses? This question highlights the complexity of CSR, as organizations and stakeholders often hold diverse perspectives on its purpose and implementation. We will examine these different viewpoints to gain a deeper understanding of CSR's role in modern business practice. The shareholder perspective prioritizes profit maximization, as argued by Milton Friedman. CSR is seen as a cost or distraction from this goal. In contrast, the stakeholder perspective considers all parties affected by business actions. UK law requires directors to balance these interests. This creates a tension between profit and social legitimacy. Carroll's pyramid outlines 4 layers of CSR responsibility. Economic responsibility is the foundation, ensuring profitability. Legal responsibility involves complying with laws and regulations. Ethical responsibility goes beyond legal obligations. Philanthropic responsibility involves voluntary contributions to society. Instrumental CSR is a strategic tool for competitive advantage. It focuses on reputation management and brand value. Normative CSR is driven by ethics, independent of financial outcomes. It is rooted in doing what is right. Both perspectives are crucial in today's sustainability-driven market. CSR is now intertwined with sustainability goals. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals provide a global framework. Companies align CSR strategies with goals like decent work and climate action. UK firms face pressure to report sustainability efforts. This alignment reflects a shift towards responsible business practices. NGOs play a crucial role in influencing CSR practices. Civil society and media can drive reforms through public opinion. The UK government shapes CSR through legislation and soft law. EU directives also impact UK CSR reporting. Together, these forces ensure accountability and transparency. UK CSR policy is guided by voluntary compliance with governance codes. Larger firms must disclose environmental and social information. EU pushes for mandatory sustainability reporting. The new Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive will impact UK firms in the EU. Global frameworks encourage responsible business conduct. Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan integrates CSR into its strategy. It reduces environmental impact while improving social outcomes. This approach reflects both instrumental and normative perspectives. Unilever demonstrates how CSR can drive growth and fulfill ethical duties. Its strategy aligns with global sustainability goals. The Co-op is known for its ethical retailing and brand identity. Its CSR approach is guided by normative ethics. The company avoids investing in harmful industries. This commitment shows CSR driven by values over profit. The Co-op illustrates the importance of ethical business practices. BP faced criticism after the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. Its CSR strategy now focuses on climate commitments. The company aims for net zero goals to restore its reputation. This illustrates the risk management perspective of CSR. BP's experience highlights the importance of proactive CSR strategies. Boohoo's supply chain scandal highlighted poor labor practices. The company faced brand damage and pledged reforms. This case shows how CSR can be shaped by NGO and media pressure. Boohoo's response illustrates reactive CSR. It underscores the need for transparency and accountability. UK legislation shapes CSR through various laws and codes. The Companies Act balances shareholder and stakeholder interests. The Equality Act embeds diversity into CSR responsibilities. The Modern Slavery Act enforces responsible supply chain practices. These laws create a framework for ethical business conduct. Explore resources to deepen your understanding of CSR. The CIPD offers insights into corporate responsibility and sustainability. The UK government provides information on the Companies Act. The EU Commission details the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive. UN Global Compact outlines principles for responsible business. CSR perspectives vary widely across businesses and societies. The shareholder view focuses on profit, while the stakeholder view emphasizes broader responsibilities. Carroll's pyramid integrates economic, legal, ethical, and philanthropic dimensions. UK CSR is shaped by legal duties and sustainability expectations. Managers must balance strategic and ethical considerations. Shareholder perspective prioritizes profit maximization. It views CSR as a potential cost or distraction. Milton Friedman famously argued for this perspective. UK law requires directors to promote company success for shareholders. Balancing this with stakeholder interests is a constant challenge. Stakeholder perspective considers all parties affected by business actions. It includes employees, customers, suppliers, and the environment. UK corporate governance supports this view through Section 172. Balancing stakeholder and shareholder interests is essential. This perspective emphasizes social legitimacy alongside profit. Economic responsibility is the foundation of Carroll's pyramid. Companies must be profitable to survive and sustain jobs. Tesco exemplifies this by focusing on affordable prices and growth. Economic responsibility ensures the company's viability. It is the base upon which other responsibilities are built. Legal responsibility requires companies to obey laws and regulations. This includes labor rights, consumer protection, and environmental rules. UK supermarkets adhere to the Modern Slavery Act for supply chain transparency. Legal compliance is a non-negotiable aspect of CSR. It ensures businesses operate within societal norms. Ethical responsibility extends beyond legal obligations. Companies should strive to do the right thing ethically. Unilever's sustainable sourcing commitment exemplifies this. Ethical responsibility builds trust and credibility. It reflects a company's values and moral compass. Philanthropic responsibility involves voluntary contributions to society. Companies engage in charitable activities and social causes. The John Lewis Foundation supports education in supply chain countries. Philanthropy enhances a company's community impact. It is the top layer of Carroll's pyramid, reflecting voluntary CSR efforts. In conclusion, CSR is a complex and multifaceted concept shaped by diverse perspectives. A clear understanding of both shareholder and stakeholder viewpoints is essential, while effectively balancing strategic objectives with ethical responsibilities is key to creating sustainable, long-term value.